Welcome guys to another episode. This is Carlos Gutierrez. Today we are in Salinas Grandes, right on the beach, 25 minutes away from León City. Two houses, a palapa, a place for your next business, surfing beach camp, maybe a retreat yoga place. Why not? Here you are, my telephone number and my email. I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can buy this beautiful property here in Nicaragua. Thank you, Betty and Mauricio, who's behind the camera, helping us to tour and learn more about this great opportunity, especially for you who've been searching that next place right on the Pacific here in Nicaragua. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel and let's go and see it. Okay, come on guys, check this place. This is one of the two houses that is right now officially in the market, Oceanfront property. So look at this one. This is 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms at the back and 1 bedroom actually at the front. So this one has the classic layout, which is open kitchen, living room, and then you have all the bedrooms with the bathroom. So here we have 2 bathrooms, and outdoor you have this beautiful porch. All these units are situated in the way that you have enough elbow room between one and the other one so you can feel privacy. If you have a big group or independent groups with a private accommodation, this is ideal. So check this one place. Look at this open space, love it. When you have your customers, your friends, your family, definitely they're going to enjoy a great barbecue outdoor and catching the breeze from the ocean. And this is one of the 1-2 houses that we have for sale. And remember, if you visit this place, I have a surprise for you who's looking at that oceanfront property. But in the meanwhile, I want to see one of the biggest houses that we have. 5 bedrooms here with open kitchen and dining area. Let's go and see it. Okay, look at this main one. Okay, there you go. Your sala, living room, open kitchen. I like this concept. Kitchen right in the middle where you have a separation between another living space and another dining area. Round table, actually, doors walking through here directly. This is where I have one of the 2 bathrooms and then one of the rooms here. So now all the facilities are there. So actually guys, when you buy a property on the beach like these ones, you have to be sure that you can improve it and create a whole thing. So in the way that the atmosphere and facilities, everything is ready to go and running with no problem. That's because you want to bring customers and you want to keep them happy. Parking space is not that big. You can actually entertain like 3 or 4 cars easily. So in the meantime guys, check this open kitchen, classic tiles, you know, with the counter. So definitely guys, you always can improve the area, but in the meantime you can use it and keep people, bring customers to stay a nice place. Double doors fridge, that's a good bonus. Extra space, and again another window where you can catch the breeze from the ocean. That's very good. Ceiling, fan, everything. So some rooms has air conditioning, some others does not. So I'm gonna give you at the description below this unit how can you improve or what information you need to make your decision easier. So in the meantime, let's continue walking around because I love to show you guys opportunities for business or residents right on the beach. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Thank you, Betty. Thank you, Mauricio. We've been driving all the way to Salinas Grandes to show you this beautiful opportunity. This is the 2 houses for 1 price, beachfront, clear title, ready for surfing, for a surfing camp or a yoga retreat. Here you are, my telephone number and my email, and you can contact me and say, Carlos, Give me more information. How can I buy a property in Nicaragua? Here you are. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and this property is going to be very soon in all the social media. I want to see you in the next adventure.